Busy day at Dad's office, all guys. Tonight we're gonna draw Salarydon from Yokai Watch 3. If you guys are familiar with him, he's like Destroy, only more of a busy guy. And well, doesn't really scare me at all. But he does look like an interesting guy. I'd be happy to work for him. Alright, now we draw the jaws. Here's the teeth. Let's see what Trevor Licky has to offer. Here we go.
Look like I do a lot of voices on my show, right? About 60 different characters. I've been practicing for years, and now I'm going to show you the one that I'm most proud of. So, here we go, in no particular order. Here are the voices I did for Clubhouse and Federation, how I would have made it that I deem the best.
Prepare, Dexterous, to face the mighty Senator Skull! Here comes the Skull's Revenge Shocker! I met you 12 times, but I'm here to win, huh? Ouch! No, not again! My back, I can't move!
Obvious, I ask you! Bob is my name! Yes, cool! And why do I ask you, is that the case? Because an Enduro was taken! Yes, and am I very good? Maybe! Yes, cool! You're now getting sleepy! I'm a big star! I'm gonna win! I did every TWS wrestling match.
Here's his clipboard.
And my cousin's a big time, and he's really good at wrestling. And when I win, he'll think I'm super cool. Good evening, Delaware. I'm taking this one just for you, Pittsburgh.
Here's the watch on his hand.
Partner, looks like you're about to get sent home. Hometown, shuffle.
Hamburger, Magnetron, Squid Shop! Yeah, fascinating! Now where did I leave my gym shoes again?
Not I!
I think we know how this one's gonna end.
I got news for you, lady. I'm sick. Even my germs have germs. You think you can polish me up with fresh air and exercise? Give me a break.
Hey, City Straws, these colors don't run. You'd better run away, though, because I was taught by my father, the Stash. You think you can dissuade Gretzky like that, eh? Well, get ready for the slapshot slammer, you hoser.
Here's the necktie.
Face-off Phil is in the house, or ring, rather. Eh? Joe! Give it up, Queen! There's not a single one of your mummy curses that I can't beat! Kapow! Kapow! Yeah! I knew I'd get that one just right! Oh, man! I always gotta remember the splashback on those bombs! So you live in a pyramid, huh? I heard there are loads of some great people who are dying to get in! Well, there's nothing a clown loves more than a birthday! Why didn't you say it was your birthday?
My only friend is the icy hall of the winter wind. Brace yourself for a beating damage on the caveman. I, my Odin's mighty mirror, shall smite you to the floor and send you back to the dust from whence you came. Forward, scum! I'm gonna give your planet a Class 5 smackdown! Prepare to take the heat, dog! No, I missed!
There's nothing you can do to withstand a terrible thing full of venom. I am the most powerful out of all poisonous creatures here in the TWS. You can bet your bottom dollar on that one.
Hey, let's keep it clean here, huh? Anything for the old neighborhood. I'm here to help out, teach us anything grip the license, Earth style.
My name's Snagglefangs, and I eat. I eat big stuff, short stuff, tall stuff, small stuff. Eat, 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 eat. Ah!
You can't catch me, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. You can't catch me, itsy bitsy. You can't catch me, you can't catch me, you can't catch me.
Yeah, righteous, dude. Hard you can't take on the exterminator. Nevertheless, I know I have all my exterminator maniacs out there. How you doing, exterminator maniacs? Ahoy! Avasti,
Now we draw the tail. And there he is. That's how you draw salarydon. Anyhow, man, I'm getting clawed bird out here. You know, by my eyes. Anyhow, please like or rock and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. There we go. Alright, Salarydon, let's get you to bed.